Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm showing you the dies that I have been working with from Erica's ScrapDiva Designs. This is a design team package that she sent to me, and I have created all sorts of items for you. I'm going to start off with this, and the reason why I showed you the words first is because the words are more of an accent piece that I've used in addition to her other dies. So this is a project that I came up with for my daughter Sophia to make a set of Valentines for her classmates. So I used this heart and arrow die. It's like meant to be a straw that connects the two pieces of the arrow, but you certainly don't have to use a straw. And I used this candy. And here is the set that she made. They were light for her to carry. They were inexpensive to create. They were lots of fun to put together. And she picked specific stickers for each friend when she addressed each treat. I've already posted a lot of these images to Instagram. If you're interested in seeing my projects as I create them, that's a good place for you to find me. So Polka Dot Mailbox on Instagram if you're not already following me there. Okay, so that was this die. Next up, we have this mini album die with the lip set. So I didn't use it for a mini album, but I did create what could be a front cover to a mini album. I created this embellishment, and I've made two of them. I can share some pictures with you as well of the other things that I've already sent to my pen pal because I'm doing some swaps and some happy mail. So here's the picture of the other one that I created with the polka dot paper and the little kisses word. I love these little embellishments that I've used to decorate the lip glosses. You can see a close-up picture there. So this is really cute example of what you can do with the dies, and this you could make this into a mini album. These lips here are the pages of each album, and you could just do covers. It comes with this little lip gloss set, which is just adorable. I have popped the one up on foam, and I have attached this little dangle off the end of the lip gloss handle. The shaker is inset there, and the nice beautiful backing. So the thing I love about these dies is these are so simple to make. Very simple, very cute. I really like the way that that turned out. So that's those. And then also I'll show you, I made this card. Again, very simple. So if you watched my last video, you'll have seen I did a card making class with a community group locally, and it had to be something simple with minimal tools. I will link the video for you here if you're interested in seeing how everyone participated and the way that I put the kits together for these cards. So I've also made some beautiful things with Erica's pennant flags. So every season she comes out with a different set of pennants that match a specific theme. This is very Valentine's themed. And so I created these handmade embellishments, and I have been sharing these on Instagram, as well as I have sent some to my pen pals, but I'll show you the ones that I still have here, which is quite a few. Now this shaker I made, this comes from Rosie's studio, and then I just embellished everything. So I made these little shaker pockets, and then I used the pennant flags to decorate them all. So here is another one I have done here. Super cute. I love this main squeeze collection. I'm almost out of it, and can't get any more of it, which is sad. So you'll see how I've really embellished up the flags. I've layered on stickers and those gorgeous crystals. Just beautiful. These are also from Rosie's studio. This is another one I have made. So the charms all come from BB Craft. All these charms that I have made here. And These are Maggie Holmes stickers. I have quite a few stickers in my stash. Again, getting some use out of the main squeeze papers that I had left. I made them the highlight. I've made these little rolled flowers on the corner there. And then this one's got a cute little heart on there. This is these. Okay, and last but not least, and probably my favorite die that I was looking forward to working with, and I will tell you a little tip. So this is very, very simple. This is the candy treat box. I have left this inner piece inside of the box. There are two other dies that you use to create the box to decorate it. Because you're coming in to frame this, it doesn't matter that those two pieces are there. You can kind of see they get embossed a little bit as you run it through the die. But the nice thing about leaving that piece in there is this. Here is one of the creations that I have made, and it is wonderful. I didn't make a shaker out of this. I have made a previous one with a shaker, and I will leave you pictures. That is a whole other story I have to tell you about. But you can see how we go around, and it is cut out on both sides. Because the candies that I was putting in these boxes were so colorful, it's Quality Street candies, I wanted to make sure to leave them visible, and you can really see what I mean on some of the other boxes that I have made. So here you can see the candies are meant to match the blue and green of this box. And I've gone through and I've used this one square, this one rectangle, to cut out this piece. So I would cut out 3 pieces. I'd cut out 2 background pieces and 1 of an accent piece, rip it down the center, and then as I like decorate the outside of the box, I put that ripped piece on top and layer it, and then just sort of rough up the edges. You could stitch around here as well, but because Erica already has that stitching effect built into her dies, it's not critical, but it is always very beautiful. Okay, so this is another one here. So here we've got this candy box is made out of all gold treats inside, gold and I think pink as well. Let's go this way. It's meant to be read this way. You'll see there's the gold there. And you get to see all the different layers. Again, it would look beautiful, additional layer, if that was stitched. So I did it to make it this way because it sits up like this. But love is in the air. That's that main squeeze. I had a little bit of this paper left. This paper pack was actually from Michael's, and I just used a lot of things from my stash from a variety of different collections. Magical Forest is in here, main squeeze. Oh gosh, this is not even, I'm trying to remember what this collection is from. I got a set of puffy stickers. I can picture it with the panda and everything, but I can't remember what collection it is. So let's put that there. This one is very cute as well. This has all red and pink candies inside. Oh, and the other thing that I have done, so these aren't necessarily how you're supposed to do the ends. They're meant to fold out into like a boxy type shape, but I wanted my participants to be able to easily open up the ends and get the candies out. So I actually created it so they can just pull out the bow and slide out the candies. And it may be the same with the other fold as well, but I started making them like this, so I just kept consistent in making them tied up with the bow there. So there's very simple pinks. I got one more. This is again Magical Forest. I love that collection. Here's how I've done but see how nice it is? This time I've put the acetate that has a pink polka dot on it, and it's just the right shade to match this series here. You can easily make shaker pockets, and I did make a shaker pocket the very first time, and then when I was making so many, I thought, you know what, because the candies are going to stand alone as sort of a focal point within the box, and I want them to shine through, I'm going to leave them blank. So here you can see what it looks like before I put anything inside, and you can see how you can see right through it, which is really a neat element. So I'm going to put a picture up at the end of this one thing I was telling you about that I made that was such a happy accident. So my daughter went to her friend's birthday, and I was away from the house, and I was making these boxes, and I made a little treat box for her birthday, and I was going to fill it up with candies like these ones. So I left it open. I had made the treat box. I came home, and my daughter had baked her friend macaroons that were pink and fit in the box perfectly. So we put a set of macaroons in the box. We also had bought her a mug. I put the whole treat box into a mug. You have to see how it turned out. We were just tickled. It wasn't even planned, and you would have thought we couldn't have planned it better if we tried. So here are a close-up of the macaroons. They were absolutely delicious, and I packaged them inside the box. You can see them just slightly peeking out here. I put them into the cup, which was the perfect fit and the perfect color match. I wrapped it in some cellophane and tied it all together with this beautiful charm that I made with some BB Craft charms and gems that I have. So that was amazing. So that's the treat box. I still have more dies. Like, look at this beautiful mess on my desk. I still have more dies from Erica to work with. And if you are interested in getting any of these dies, I highly recommend them. I'm going to put in a picture of a sand pail die that I created as well, because I have loved Erica's sand pail dies. I've used it for every occasion, Valentine's, Christmas, birthday, and I have a real love for that die. I have lots of videos with Christmas ones that I made if you want to see those. So here are the series of Valentine's Day sand pails that I made. I actually used a paper pad from Michael's for this collection, and I used a focal point of the cut-aparts that they had to create the image on the front, and I topped it with some different stickers from various collections. This one is my favorite here that I made. It is a shaker pocket on the front with a little shaker shovel on the side. So cute. And it went for a secret Cupid swap that I did recently. And if you're interested in ordering any of these items, I have a code for you to save 10% off of your order. It's polka dot mailbox 10, all one word. And if you like my videos, subscribe for more. I do have more dies coming to work with. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.